Many come to the market searching for a magic formula, a secret indicator, or perfect signal to get rich. But after decades, as a trader, psychiatrist, and teacher, I can tell you, there's no such thing. What you need is a doctor for traders, someone who diagnoses your real problems and prescribes a cure. Dr. Van K. Tharp is one of the best. His book, Trade Your Way to Financial Freedom, is a manual for building a successful trading business from the inside out. Tharp's message is simple. Success in trading isn't about predicting the market, but about understanding yourself, managing risk, and following a system that fits you. Most traders fail because they chase hot tips and ignore their own psychology. Tharp forces you to confront your beliefs, biases, and weaknesses, the first step to becoming a professional. His philosophy aligns with the 3 M's: mind, method, and money, but he dives deeper into each. Reading his book is like having a personal consultation with a master coach. Tharp's principles serve as a reset, reminding us that trading isn't about being right all the time. It's about having a positive expectancy and letting your edge play out over many trades, whether you're new or seasoned. Tharp's work is a tune-up for your trading mind. The real magic is learning to trade your way with discipline and self-awareness. Many traders spend years searching for the Holy Grail, a perfect system that never loses. Tharp flips this idea. The Holy Grail isn't something you find, it's something you build, and the secret ingredient is you. Your beliefs, objectives, and personality are the foundation of any successful trading method. Trading is a business, and you are the CEO. You need a plan that fits your risk tolerance and goals. Tharp shows that a high win rate isn't the key. You can be profitable even if you're right less than half the time. The focus shifts from perfect entries to managing trades and risk. A system is more than buy and sell signals. It's a complete process, finding opportunities, managing risk, and exiting trades. The first step to financial freedom is to stop looking outside for answers and start looking within. Tharp provides exercises to help you understand your own psychology and beliefs about money and risk. Once you know yourself, you can design a system that fits you and stick with it through losing streaks. This is the true meaning of trading your way to freedom. The best system is the one you can execute with confidence and discipline. A good trader knows every part of their system. Tharp explains that a complete trading system has 6 essential components. First, reliability or win rate. Know how often your system wins, but don't obsess over it. Second and third, exits have clear rules for taking profits and cutting losses. Fourth, frequency. How often does your system generate trades? It must fit your lifestyle. Fifth, position sizing. How much do you risk on each trade? This has the biggest impact on your results. Sixth, setup criteria. The rules that must be met before you enter a trade. By breaking your system into these parts, you can diagnose weaknesses and improve. Are your entries solid, but your exits random? Do you risk too much? This framework transforms you from a gambler into a business owner. Each component can be tested and refined. This systematic approach is what separates amateurs from professionals. If I could teach a new trader one thing, it would be expectancy. Tharp uses R multiples, your initial risk on a trade, to measure all outcomes. Thinking in R removes emotional attachment to dollar amounts and lets you compare trades objectively. Expectancy tells you what you can expect to make on average per dollar, risked over many trades. The formula: win rate x average, win minus loss rate x average loss. You don't need to win all the time. Just have a system with positive expectancy. Losses become a cost of doing business, not a personal failure. This mindset lets you endure losing streaks and trade with confidence. Expectancy is the engine of financial freedom. Focus on quality trades, not just being right. Most traders obsess over finding the perfect entry, but Tharp says the real secret is position sizing. It's not what you buy, but how much you buy that determines your results. Proper position sizing can turn a mediocre system into a winner or ruin a great system if done poorly. Risking a fixed percentage of your equity per trade is a simple, effective method for capital preservation. Never risk too much on a single trade. The market can surprise you at any time. For aggressive growth, Tharp introduces advanced models that adjust size based on wins and losses. The key is to find a model that matches your psychology too aggressive, and you'll abandon it under stress. Position sizing is how you translate expectancy into real profits. Run simulations to see how different risk levels affect your returns and drawdowns. Wealthy traders aren't better predictors, they're better risk managers. Mastering position sizing is the true edge. The markets are a mirror, reflecting our greed, fear, and insecurities. Even with the best system, if your mind isn't right, you'll fail. Tharp believes trading is mostly psychology. Your beliefs and emotions drive your results. Losses are inevitable. Professionals accept them as business expenses. Amateurs fight them. Hope, A trades and revenge trades are deadly. Stick to your rules. Big wins can be dangerous too, leading to overconfidence and reckless risk. Discipline matters as much when you're winning as when you're losing. Tharp teaches emotional detachment. Treat wins and losses the same. Clear out limiting beliefs about money and success. Self-sabotage is real. Take 100% responsibility for your results. It's not the market's fault. Your results reflect your system and your discipline. Cultivate self-awareness and emotional control for consistent profitability. The real battle is within. Master your mind and you master the market. Tharp gives you a practical blueprint for building your own trading system. It starts with self-assessment, your beliefs, financial situation, time, and goals. Design your system by working through the 6 key components: setup, entry, exits, frequency, position, sizing, and rules. Be specific. Write down your rules for entries, exits, and risk. Define your stop loss and profit-taking strategies before you enter a trade. Integrate your position sizing model based on your objectives and risk tolerance. Once defined, test your system on historical data to see its expectancy and drawdowns. This process turns trading into a structured business, not a guessing game. The goal: a system you can execute with discipline and confidence. That's the foundation for long-term success. Even seasoned traders need to sharpen their tools. Start by auditing your trading, analyze trades in R multiples, and calculate your system's expectancy. Keep a detailed journal of trades, thoughts, and emotions to spot self-sabotaging patterns. Focus on improving one component at a time, like exits or position sizing, so you can measure progress. Don't overhaul everything at once. Methodical tweaks lead to sustainable growth. Explore advanced position sizing models to maximize growth or control drawdowns. Use simulations to see how different models affect your equity curve. Mastering position sizing gives you control and performance most traders never achieve. Continuous refinement is the path to mastery. The best traders are always learning and adapting. The journey to financial freedom through trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Tharp's greatest lesson: you are in control. Freedom comes from building a business that fits you. Stop searching for certainty. Focus on what you can control: your system, risk, and mindset. Think in probabilities and expectancy, not right or wrong. Losses are normal and manageable with a solid plan. Consistency and discipline are the bedrock of long-term profitability. A simple system you can execute is better than a complex one you can't. Trade Your Way to Financial Freedom is about personal transformation, discipline, self-awareness, and responsibility. The ultimate freedom is mastering yourself, not just your finances. These are the keys to unlocking your own trading room.